Recording audio in the track and console views. Before you can record an audio track, there are a few steps you need to take. The first thing you need to do is set the source for the track you wish to record on. Shift-click in the source field and select the correct audio source if it is not already selected. You can also double-click in the source field to set the port and source. If you want to record more than one track, set the source for as many tracks as you need. After you have set the source, you need to check your input levels. To do this, open the console view, arm the track if you have not already done so, and then perform the part you wish to record. There are options that you may wish to enable or disable when recording audio. You can use the metronome if you wish while recording an audio track. To do so, select Project from the Options menu, and then select the Metronome tab. Here, you can adjust the settings to your preferences. To learn more about using the metronome, please refer to the Cakewalk User's Guide. To set your tempo values, click in the Tempo field found in the Tempo toolbar and enter the appropriate tempo. Now you are ready to record, but remember that only the tracks you arm will be recorded onto. You can start recording by pressing the Record button when stopped or during playback. The keyboard shortcut for recording is the R key on your computer keyboard.